I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your profile details on Mint Mobile, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Mint Mobile website or open the Mint Mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually located in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Edit your details. In the Profile section, look for the option to edit your personal information. Click on it to make changes to your name, email, or phone number. Step 4. Review your changes. After editing, double-check the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct. This is important to avoid any issues with your account. Step 5. Save and log out. Once you're satisfied with your updates, make sure to save the changes. Then, log out of your account for security purposes. Updating your profile details is a breeze. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Mint Mobile's customer support for help.